Today's topic is blood. Blood is a vital fluid in the human body and many other organisms, responsible for delivering essential substances like oxygen, nutrients to cell and transporting waste product away from cell. Understanding blood involves exploring its component functions and system it interacts with. Components of blood. First is the plasma. Plasma is a liquid component, make up about 55% of total blood volume. Plasma is a mostly water, about 90%, but also contains protein such as albumin, globulin, and fibrinogen, electrolyte, nutrients, hormone, and waste products. Second is red blood cells, RBC, or erythrocytes. These cells make up about 40 to 45% of blood volume. Their main function is to carry oxygen from the lungs to the body tissue and to transport carbon dioxide from the tissue back to the lungs. They contains hemoglobin, protein that binds to oxygen. Third is a white blood cell, WBC. It also called as leukocytes. These cells are part of the immune system and are involved in the protecting the body against the infection and foreign invaders. There are several types of white blood cells, including lymphocytes, monocyte, eosinophil, and basophil, each with the specific role in the immune response. Fourth is the palate, platelets, also called as thrombocytes. These are cell fragments involved in blood clotting. When a blood vessel is injured, platelets clump together and release chemical that activate the clotting process to prevent the excessive bleeding. Function of blood. First function of blood is the transportation. Oxygen and carbon dioxide. Blood transport oxygen from the lung to the body tissue and carries carbon dioxide back to the lungs to be exhaled. Nutrients and waste products. Blood carries nutrients from the digestive tract to cell and remove waste product to the kidneys and livers for excretion. Hormones. Blood transport hormone from the gland where they are produced to target organ and tissues. Second is the regulation. In the regulation, first is the pH balance. Blood helps to maintain stable pH in the body, which is crucial for enzyme function and metabolic process. In that second is temperature regulation. Blood distributes heat throughout the body and helps maintain a constant body temperature. Third, fluid balance. Plasma protein and electrolyte in the blood help to regulate the movement of water between tissue and bloodstream. Third is the protection. In protection, first is clotting. Blood clotting is a mechanism to prevent excessive blood loss after injuries. In that, second is immune defense. White blood cells and other components of the immune system in blood protect against the infection and foreign substances. After that, circulatory system. Blood circulates throughout the body via the cardiovascular system, which consists of a heart, blood vessels, artery, vein, and capillaries, and blood itself. First is the heart. In that, a muscular organ that pumps blood throughout the body. It has four chambers, two arteria and two ventricles that works in a coordinated manner, ensure the efficient blood flow. Second is the blood vessels. In that, first is arteries. Carry oxygen rich blood away from the heart to the body tissue. Second is vein. Carry oxygen depleted blood back to the heart. Third, capillaries. Tiny vessels where the exchange of oxygen and carbon dioxide nutrients waste product occurs between the blood and tissues. Third is hematopoiesis. The process by which blood cells are formed is called as hematopoiesis. It primarily occurs in the bone marrow, where the stem cells differentiate into various types of blood cells. This process is tightly regulated to maintain adequate level of each blood component. Disorders of the blood. There are the various types of disorder occurs in the blood. First is anemia. Anemia is a condition where there is a deficiency of RBCs or of red blood cells or hemoglobin, leading to reduce the oxygen transport. Second is the leukemia, a type of cancer affecting white blood cells, resulting in the uncontrolled growth and accumulation of abnormal white blood cells. Another disorder is hemophilia. Hemophilia is known as genetic disorder where blood clotting is impaired, leading to excessive bleeding. Thrombosis. Thrombosis is a formation of blood clot inside blood vessels which can obstruct blood flow and lead to conditions like a stroke or heart attack. Blood typing and the transfusion. In that, blood types are classified based on the presence or absence of certain antigen on the surface of red blood cells. The major blood group system are the ABO system and the RH system. Proper matching of blood types is crucial for safe blood transfusion to prevent adverse reaction. Understanding blood's complex role and functioning highlight its importance in maintaining health and supporting life process. Thank you.